Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And we also enter our projects with hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. All of the links will be down below. This week's theme was Lawn Fawn, so you have to use anything made with Lawn Fawn products. Next week's theme is called Let's Make Music. So you can use music notes, guitar, violin, or whatever you have that makes music. Enter it into our collabs. All right, so here we go. So I only had two things that I used from Lawn Fawn. I only got 3 total, so I didn't have much for Lawn Fawn. But I happened to run by this paper pack and didn't even know I had it. And I thought I would go ahead and use that. So we have this and this. And then I also have the canvas and easel die set and never used that before. So I thought I would give that a shot. I'm also using this watercolor paint palette here, and I'm using all kind of colors from there. I just thought I'd make a little splatter. I'm using this hugs die here. I'm using this paintbrush from the Crafty Fawn collection. Gina Marie Designs, I'm using the largest cross or X's. I'm not for sure what that's called, but from Gina Marie. CC Designs, I am using this little image here for my paint splatter. All right, and so let's take a closer look at that. Now, I did not pull out the penguins because I don't know that. I didn't look for them actually. This image was already colored up for me, so I just thought I would go ahead and use that since I had them already colored. And then the paintbrush, I did add on a little bit of gel pen just to kind of make you see that it's distinguished from that paint splatter in the back of that. And then I also added some yellow paint splatter there, along with some enamel dots, and pop that hugs in the center. And I did layer up that paper 3 different times behind there, and really like how it turned out. And then there goes the inside of that. Make sure you go over to the ladies' channels and subscribe, and also check out and see what they've created. I'll have everyone's links down below, like I said. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.